A woman in Medellin earns 3 times the minimum wage without leaving her apartment. One in Mexico City has a 2-month waiting list for her orders. One in Lima built a brand that now distributes in 4 countries. None of the 3 had capital. None had contacts. None had business experience. What they had was a machine, the right one. Today, I'm going to show you 15 machines that are generating real income for ordinary women in Latin America. Some cost less than $200. Others require more investment, but return that money in weeks. And there are 2 on this list that combined can convert an empty room into a profitable microfactory from the first month. Stay until the end because machine number 15 is the least obvious, the least mentioned on the internet, and the one with the highest margin on the entire list. Machine number 1, laser cutter and engraver. A 10-centimeter piece of wood costs less than 50 cents. Engraved with a name, a date, a phrase, it sells for between $8 and $20. That is not craftsmanship. It is precision manufacturing with a jewelry margin. The laser cutter uses a concentrated beam of light to engrave or cut wood, leather, acrylic, fabric, cork, and more than 30 different materials. You do not need prior experience. The design is made on the computer and the machine executes it alone. A basic cutter for domestic use costs between $150 and $400, imported from China. Semi-professional level ones are between $800 and $2,000. The market you open with it is huge. Personalized keychains, photo frames, decoration for weddings and 15-year-old birthday parties, signage for businesses, corporate gifts, wooden boxes with a name, trophies, leather cuts for bags and accessories. In Latin America, the customization market has no ceiling. Every birthday, every wedding, every graduation, every business that opens is a potential customer. An entrepreneur with this machine, a well-crafted Instagram profile, and access to an online marketplace, or Etsy, can generate between $500 and $2,000 monthly from the first quarter. Machine number 2, sublimation printer with a heat press. Sublimation is the process of transferring an image to an object using heat and pressure. The result is a permanent, washable, photographic quality print on mugs, t-shirts, cushions, thermoses, caps, plates, puzzles, and more than 50 different products. A blank mug ready for sublimation costs between $1 and $2. With a printed design, it sells for between $8 and $20. A white cushion costs $3. With a personalized photo, it sells for between $15 and $30. The same principle applies to each product in the line. The complete equipment to start, a sublimation printer and a flat heat press, cost between $300 and $600. The investment is generally recovered in the first or second month if there are constant orders. And there are orders. The personalized gift market in Latin America moves more than $2 billion a year and continues to grow because the culture of meaningful gifts does not disappear. Machine number 3, computerized embroidery machine. Businesses pay, schools pay, restaurants pay, sports teams pay, and everyone pays well for clothing with their embroidered logo. Computerized embroidery converts a digital design into a thread embroidery on any fabric with millimeter precision at a speed that the human hand cannot match. An entry-level embroidery machine costs between $400 and $900. What it produces is worth between $5 and $15 per piece, just for the embroidery service, not counting the garment. A school with 300 students that needs an embroidered uniform is a contract of more than $1,500. And school contracts are renewed every year. The smartest business model with this machine is not selling garments. It is charging for embroidery on garments that the customer already brings. No inventory, no fabrics, just the service. That reduces the initial investment and maximizes the margin from the first order. Machine number 4, DTF printer, direct to film. For years, printing on dark fabrics was the limit for printing businesses. Sublimation only works on white and on polyester fabrics. The screen printer needed different screens for each design. DTF changed all that. The DTF printer prints onto a special film and then transfers the design to any fabric, any color, any blend of fibers, with results that last more than 50 washes without fading. The process is clean, does not need water, does not generate toxic waste, and can be done in the space of 2 square meters. The production cost of a t-shirt printed with DTF is between $1 and $2, including the basic garment. The selling price of a t-shirt with an exclusive design ranges from $10 to $30, depending on the market and the brand. Entry-level DTF machines cost between $1,000 and $2,500 imported. It is the fastest growing machine in the domestic textile sector in the last 3 years. Machine number 5, pneumatic heat. press for screen printing and transfer. If DTF is the technology of the future, the pneumatic press is the workhorse of the present. It is the machine that allows you to produce volume. 100 t-shirts, 200, 500, without your arm having to take it because the pressure is exerted by compressed air, not you. Combined with a DTF printer or with cutting vinyl, the pneumatic press converts your space into a real production line. Companies that order uniforms in large quantities do not want to wait weeks. They want speed and consistency, and a well-configured pneumatic press provides that. The price of a 40 by 60 centimeter pneumatic press, which is the standard size for t-shirts, is between $600 and $1,400 imported. The return comes with the first corporate contracts, which in medium-sized cities in Latin America do not take long to arrive if there is a clear commercial proposal. Machine number 6. Machine for manufacturing artisanal candles. The global candle market exceeds $10 billion annually, and the fastest growing segment is that of scented soy candles, those sold as a wellness product, affordable luxury, or a premium gift. A scented soy candle with a glass container and a pretty label costs less than $1.50 to produce. It sells for between $8 and $30, depending on the size and the brand. The machinery is not complex. An electric melter with temperature control, silicone molds, or glass containers, soy wax essences, and wicks are needed. The complete basic equipment costs between $150 and $300. With less than $500 total dollars in equipment and initial supplies, an entrepreneur can have her first collection ready in 1 week. What differentiates a candle that sells from one that does not has nothing to do with the machine? It has to do with the brand name, the design of the container, the story behind the scent. Candles are bought out of emotion, and that is something a woman with creative sensitivity can build better than any large factory. Subscribe to this channel if you have not done so yet. Here we publish real machines, profitable businesses, and entrepreneurship ideas with low investment that work in Latin America. Activate the bell so you do not miss the next videos, because they come with information that very few share. And if you want to learn how to import these machines directly from China, I leave you the link in the description. Importing from the source can reduce your investment cost to half or less, and it is more accessible than you think. Machine number 7. Binding machine and paper guillotine. There is a product that sells every year, across the continent to every type of customer. The agenda, the planner, the personalized notebook, the habit journal, the bullet journal. The premium stationery market grew more than 40% in the last 5 years, while the generic notebook market stagnated. A spiral or wire binding machine, along with an electric tabletop guillotine, allows the production of agendas, planners, notebooks, and printed materials with a professional finish from home. The cost of the complete equipment is between $200 and $500. The production cost of a 150-page agenda with a printed cover is less than $3. The selling price of a premium agenda with its own design ranges from $15 to $60. The most profitable niches are planners for organized mothers, for female entrepreneurs, for university students, and for health professionals. Each niche has its own community on social networks, and that community buys when they feel the product was made specifically for them. Machine number 8, vacuum sealer. This seemingly simple machine has one of the most solid business models on the list behind it. Vacuum sealing is not just about preserving food. It is about presenting a product professionally, extending its shelf life, and charging more for it. A domestic vacuum sealer costs between $30 and $80. Semi-professional chamber ones are between $200 and $600. With it, you can pack nuts, healthy snacks, spices, aromatic herbs, artisanal grains, cheeses, homemade sausages, specialty coffee, and any food product that needs a clean presentation and extended shelf life. The most effective business model is to combine this machine with a niche product: spice blends for specific recipes, sugar-free snacks for athletes, aromatic herb kits for cocktails, medicinal herbal teas. The vacuum seal converts a homemade product into something that looks like it comes from a gourmet store, and customers pay a gourmet price when the presentation justifies it. Machine number 9. Machine for making artisanal soaps. Colombia, Mexico, Brazil, Peru. In all these countries, the natural and organic cosmetics market grows by double digits every year. Consumers who used to buy supermarket soaps now look for soaps with natural ingredients, without sulfates, with vegetable butters, with natural essences, and they are willing to pay 3, 5, 10 times more for them. A stainless steel soap cutter, combined with silicone molds and a precision scale, is all the equipment needed to start. The initial investment in basic machinery is less than $150. The production cost of a 100-gram artisanal soap with quality ingredients is between 40 and 80 cents. The selling price ranges from $3 to $12, depending on the premium ingredient you use: activated charcoal, pink clay, shea butter, turmeric, coffee. The most effective sales channel for artisanal soaps is not physical stores. It is natural product markets, mothers groups on WhatsApp, local spas and wellness stores looking for local suppliers with unique products. Machine number 10. Laminator and die cutting machine. Every business that opens needs a business card. Every product sold needs a label. Every company that grows needs branding material. And most of that market in intermediate cities in Latin America is underserved or poorly served by slow and expensive printing shops. An office laminator combined with a manual die cutter allows the production of laminated business cards, professional finish labels, invitations, credentials, small packaging, and graphic material that local businesses constantly need. The basic equipment costs between $150 and $400. The service you offer is not just printing, it is fast brand identity for small businesses, restaurants that open and need menus, stores that want labels for their products, female entrepreneurs who need cards for their fairs. That market exists in every city, in every town with commercial activity. Machine number 11. Machine for making artisanal pasta. The artisanal food segment with local identity is one of the fastest growing in Latin America. Fresh pasta, which in Europe is an everyday product, in our region is still a premium product that is found in few places and at high prices. An extruding pasta machine allows the production of spaghetti, penne, fusilli, fettuccine, and other shapes with flour, eggs, and the ingredients the customer requests: spinach, beets, squid ink, yellow pepper, fresh herbs. The result is a product with color, with flavor, and with a story that supermarket pasta cannot tell. The basic machine costs between $80 and $250. Artisanal fresh pasta sells for between $3 and $8 per 250 grams, while dried supermarket pasta costs less than $1. The customers are Italian or fusion cuisine restaurants, gourmet stores, farmers markets, and direct customers who buy through a weekly subscription. The fresh pasta subscription is a business model that already works in several Latin American cities with very little competition. Machine number 12. Small format UV printer. This is the least known on the list and one of the most versatile. The UV printer prints directly onto almost any rigid surface using ink that dries instantly with ultraviolet light. Wood, glass, metal, ceramics, stone, leather, acrylic, hard plastic. That means you can customize objects that could not be customized before using other methods. Wine bottles with a company design, tiles with photos for decoration, wooden pieces with full-color illustrations, leather accessories with photographs, phone cases with unique designs. Small format UV printers of 30 by 40 centimeters cost between $800 and $2,000 imported. It is a higher investment than other machines on the list, but the type of product it generates has no direct competition in most Latin American cities. Whoever arrives first with a UV printer in a small market practically has a monopoly on the service for months. Machine number 13. Extruder for making eco-friendly non-woven fabric bags. Regulations against single-use plastic are advancing throughout Latin America. Colombia already has them. Chile has them. Mexico is implementing its own. And every business, every supermarket, every store that previously gave out a plastic bag now needs an alternative. Non-woven fabric, the material of reusable bags you see in supermarkets all over the world, can be cut and sealed with basic heat welding machinery. The non-woven fabric roll costs between $1 and $3 per meter. A standard bag uses less than half a meter. The production cost per bag is less than 50 cents. Companies buy them in batches of 500 to 2,000 units and pay between $1.50 and $4 per bag with their logo printed. The customer is any business that needs sustainable packaging. Bakeries, coffee shops, clothing stores, hardware stores, pharmacies. With a bag sealer and access to a basic print of the customer's logo, you have an eco-friendly packaging business with demand guaranteed by law. Machine number 14. Encapsulating machine for coffee or supplements. Capsule coffee is one of the fastest growing markets in the world. In Latin America, where coffee is part of the cultural identity, capsule machines have become widespread in the last 5 years. But 90% of the capsules consumed are from multinational brands that have no relationship with local coffee. There is the opportunity. A semi-automatic encapsulator allows the production of capsules compatible with the most popular systems, using locally sourced coffee, specialty coffee, and unique blends. The production cost of a capsule is between 10 and 25 cents. The selling price ranges from 50 cents to $1 and 20 cents per capsule, depending on the positioning of the brand. The same principle applies to natural supplements in capsules: turmeric, moringa, ashwagandha, maca, spirulina. The natural supplement market in Latin America grew more than 30% in the last 3 years. An entry-level encapsulator costs between $400 and $900 imported, and it allows the launch of an own brand of coffee or supplements with a differentiator that big brands cannot offer: known origin, local history, and customization. And we reach machine number 15, the least obvious one, the one most people ignore, and the one with the highest margin on the entire list: epoxy resin machine with specialized molds. The market for epoxy resin products exploded in the last 4 years, driven by social networks. What started as a trend of artists turned into a business of decorative and functional products with global demand. There are female entrepreneurs who sell resin tables at $2,000 a piece, others who make earrings and bracelets and have stores on Etsy with more than 3,000 sales, others who produce coasters, trays, and kitchen accessories and distribute them in decoration stores throughout the region. Epoxy resin as a material costs between $10 and $30 per kilogram, depending on the quality. With 1 kilogram, you produce between 20 and 40 small pieces. The selling price of a set of 4 resin coasters ranges from $15 to $40. That of a 30-centimeter decorative tray ranges from $30 to $90. That of earrings with floral inclusions ranges from $12 to $35. The necessary machinery is not expensive: a presser vibrator to eliminate bubbles, specialized silicone molds, a UV lamp for fast curing on small pieces, and a ventilated work area. The complete starter equipment costs between $150 and $400. But what makes this business different from all the others on the list is not the machine, it is the content. Every piece of resin produced generates visual content that works on its own on social networks. The process of pouring the resin, mixing the colors, unmolding the finished piece. TikTok and Instagram amplify that content organically because it is hypnotic. There are female entrepreneurs who grew from 0 to 50,000 followers in 6 months just by showing how they make their pieces. And those followers buy. Every piece you show is an advertisement that costs you nothing. 15 machines, 15 different businesses, all proven, all active in Latin America right now. And the laser cutter that converts wood into personalized gifts. Sublimation that prints memories on mugs and cushions. The embroidery machine that dresses the uniforms of companies and schools. DTF that breaks the limits of textile printing. The pneumatic press that produces volume. Soy candles that are sold as affordable luxury. The binding machine that produces agendas that organized women look forward to every year. The vacuum sealer that transforms homemade products into gourmet products. Artisanal soaps that the natural market does not stop demanding. The laminator that gives visual identity to local businesses. The pasta extruder that sells food with a story. The UV printer that customizes what no one else can customize. Eco-friendly bags that the law makes necessary. The encapsulator that converts local coffee into an own brand. And resin that produces objects that social networks sell on their own. Capital is not the problem. Access to information is no longer a problem either. The only real obstacle is the decision to start. Leave me in the comments which of these machines caught your attention the most and what city you are in, because the next videos are going to be about specific businesses for different markets in the region. Subscribe and activate the bell. There is no filler or empty motivation here, just machines, numbers, and real businesses. And check the description, because the link to learn how to import these machines from China with the best suppliers is right there waiting for you. See you in the next video.